guys, we're about to do a new photo idea. We're going to use this bathroom. So imagine this. At one point, right here, I'll be standing in my cap and gown, and basically, when I stare into the reflection of the mirror, that's going to be like the future that I want to try and do, and it's going to be me in my uniform. Photoshop worked from then on. Alright, let's get started this project. Alright then. So the overall idea is me looking into my reflection and thinking of my future. My future being in the military. I make this photograph more personal by wearing the graduation outfit I wore back in 2013. Best class, by the way. In the very uniform I wear to duty every day. And it feels like I'm about to graduate high school again. Alright, let's go. Alright, part 2. We're gonna try to see if I'm gonna wear my blues or my combat uniform.
Combat, because combat look better.
Alright.
You gotta go to war.
Alright guys, so 2 things to take into consideration when taking clothing photos is that 1, lighting. Make sure it's the same throughout the whole time you're shooting. And same goes with your composition of your photo. Making sure that the camera or tripod doesn't move is paramount. The slightest movement to any other direction will throw off the editing process, and you'll have to work harder to, get rid of those mistakes. So for lighting, we actually didn't do a very good job here despite being indoors where we could control it, unlike outside. As you can tell, some photos were more yellow and some photos more white. So when I'm showing this process, I have to change up the variables for brightness and contrast. It's not that hard, but the more you can do perfectly in camera, the better off the editing process is. So always try to do that. Out of the 24 shots we took, I used 4 of them. So in a completely blank stage photo, I focused on 4 key points. First one being the giant mirror, second the cabinet mirror within the giant mirror, the actual cabinet mirror itself, and the space we have left on the left side. Within these 4 points, I chose 3 different poses to fill them. The stage photo eliminates the photographer's reflection. Let's start off with the graduation photo. Drag that image onto your stage photo and create a new layer mask. Click Ctrl-I to turn the layer mask color to black. I will now use my brush tool. Make sure the 2 colors you use are black and white. The brush color will be the opposite of the layer mask color. Turning the brush color white in this situation will help paint the layer mask. Having it black will erase the layer mask image. As I'm brushing, I can already tell that the colors of the wall doesn't match the color of the stage photo, but we can fix that later. Also, it seems like the composition moved during this particular photo. You can see that a part of the mirror doesn't match where the stage photo mirror is. An easy fix would be to move the mask by placing the mirror part of the image onto where the stage photo mirror is. If you turn down the opacity, you're able to line up the mirrors more easily. Once you get them lined up, turn the opacity back to 100. Moving on to the next photo. Now we will be adding the reflection in the cabinet mirror. Always try your best to only brush the section of the photo you need to use. It'll be easier to match the rest of the photo. Last layer now. As you can tell, layers 2 and 3 basically have the same tones. so you're able to brush around the area more without having to worry about tone changes. Detail is pretty important, so zooming into little areas and changing brush size will help you paint the picture in greater detail. Now we are pretty much done. All we have to do now is crop out that unused part of the photo and match the tones and lighting throughout the picture. Go to your crop tool and simply crop out the unused section. Go ahead and click on this eye symbol to make layers 2 and 3 disappear so we can focus on layer 1. Switch the brush color to black so we can erase parts of that layer. For this photo, we don't have to erase everything in detail. A cool trick would be to change the brightness variable. This is pretty close, so we can leave it like this. Here's how it looks like without the background. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully this tutorial helped out a lot. Remember, keep the lighting throughout the whole shot the same, and the same thing goes with the composition as well. Alright, hit that subscribe button and leave a like and comment down below so you guys can see a lot more awesome content. And yep, happy editing. Peace out guys.